Yes.
Hill.
We are struggling here.
It says to go to settings to allow here.
Hold on. Hurry. Here. Well, wait a minute. Well, it said the internet connection was unstable, but now it says, so now you got it, I guess.
Yeah.
All right. I guess it's okay now. It said it was unstable.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
You know I'm following.
There it is. All right, just call me. Is this somebody else that just came on?
I don't know if I'm in. Can you see me?
No, we can hear you, but we can't see you.
I'm so sorry. We just are having so much trouble this morning.
There's a
I hope it's-
microphone. Does it have a red mark on it? In the
We don't
left-hand
even-
corner?
We don't see anything. It says Judge Brannick, host. You guys asked to start your video.
Okay. There you go.
Oh,
Okay.
here I am.
See you.
I'm here.
Yes, yes.
Gosh. Hallelujah.
Okay, let's see here. So the lady in the green is Miss Venable, correct?
Yes, sir.
And lady with the blonde hair is Lark Anderson.
Yes.
And the lady who just got the video feed is the applicant. There are so many names in here.
I'm
Is it-
Cynthia Hill.
Cynthia Lamp Hill, is that?
Yes.
Okay, will each of you raise your right hands, please? Do you and each of you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give in this cause shall be the truth, so help you God?
I do.
I do.
Okay, go right ahead, Ms. Brewer.
Thank you, Your Honor. Applicant calls herself as the first witness, please. Ms. Hill, would you please state your name and address for the court?
Cynthia Lamp Hill, 8322 Jennifer Lane, Long Beach, Mississippi.
And what was your relationship to the decedent, Ms. Crabb?
Sister. I was her sister.
And is Lisa Sue Crabb one and the same as Lisa Sue Lamp Crabb?
Yes.
And did Lisa Sue Crabb die on March 5th, 2021 at the age of 58 years?
Yes.
And did she die there in Beaumont, Jefferson County, Texas?
Yes.
Was she domiciled in Beaumont, Jefferson County, Texas at the time of her passing?
Yes.
And did she leave a will?
No.
You looked high and low for that will, didn't you?
I looked a long time.
So was she married at the time of her passing, her death?
No.
And it's true that she was only married one time, and that was to Mark Burton Crabb on May 29th, 1990 in Nashville, Davidson County, Tennessee. Is that true?
Yes.
And that marriage actually ended with Mr. Crabb's death on July 24th, 2018. Is that correct?
Yes.
To your knowledge, did your sister, Miss Crabb, ever have any children by natural birth or adoption?
No.
Your parents and her parents are Denzel Burton Lamp and Clarice Ruth Ridenauer Lamp. Is that correct?
Yes.
And they were married on August 19th, 1950, correct?
Yes.
And did Denzel Burton Lamp and Clarice Ruth Rodnauer Lamp each have only 2 children by natural birth or adoption?
Yes.
And those 2 children that your parents had are Lisa Sue Crabb. She was born on September 13th, 1962. And you, Cynthia Lamp Hill, born on March 21st, 1951. Those are the only children, correct?
Yes.
And did your mother and dad, Denzel Burton Lamp and Clarice Ruth Rodnauer Lamp, both predecease Lisa on September 21st, 2010 for your dad and May 24th, 2011? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, let me interrupt you just a second. We do it in a more abbreviated form here. So, Ms. Hill, have you been provided with a document called a proof of death and other facts?
Yes.
Have you read that document?
Yes.
Is everything in that document true and correct and within your personal knowledge?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Snyder, do you have any questions of this witness?
I don't have any questions, Your Honor. It's in my report.
I read your report. Court takes note of it. You may go to the disinterested witnesses, Ms. Brewer.
Thank you, Your Honor. Would you like me to ask them abbreviated testimony also pursuant to their statement of facts?
Yes, please.
Okay. Applicant would call Ms. Anderson first. Ms. Anderson, would you give your name and address for the court?
My name is Lark Anderson. My address is 181 Sunrise Circle, Cumberland, Maryland, 21502.
And what was your relationship to the decedent?
I was a second cousin.
And you've heard the partial testimony of Ms. Hill this morning. Is that correct?
Yes, I have.
Would you agree with her testimony thus far?
Yes, yes.
And day before yesterday, we sent you a statement of facts for you to have your testimony reduced to writing. Have you got that statement of facts with you?
Yes, I do.
Have you read that statement of facts?
Yes, I have.
So is it your testimony before the court today that the information, the facts stated in that statement of facts are true and correct to your knowledge?
Yes.
No further questions.
Okay, one more question, Ms. Anderson.
Yes.
Why would you live in Maryland if you could live in Texas?
I live it because that's where I grew up.
Go right ahead, Ms. Brewer.
I'm getting ready to come to Texas the end of the week.
Okay, forgive my misbehavior. Any questions of this witness, Mr. Snyder?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. Go right ahead, Ms. Brewer.
Thank you, Your Honor. Applicant would call Neil Venable as our second witness. Ms. Venable, would you please state your name and address for the court?
Neil Venable, 223 Hidden Lake Road, Hendersonville, Tennessee, 37075.
And what was your relationship to the decedent, Lisa Sue Crabb?
Family friend.
And about how long had you known Miss Crabb?
Me. 58 years. That's how long that's how long I knew Cindy.
A good long while then, would you agree?
Yeah.
Years, I guess. Right.
Okay, so day before yesterday, we also sent you a statement of facts with your testimony to be given today, reduced to writing. Is that correct?
Yes.
And did you print that statement of facts?
Yes, I did.
And have you had a chance to read and review those statement of facts?
Yes.
Is it your testimony today then that the information, the facts that are stated in that statement of facts are true and correct to your knowledge?
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions of this.
All right. If you'll make arrangements with witnesses to have them execute their documents before a notary and get those returned to you so that you can e-file those with the county clerk. Once we've received those here in our office, I'll sign the judgment declaring heirship and the order authorizing administration of the estate and issuance of letters of administration to Ms. Hill. And Otherwise, let us know if there's any way that we can help. My staff is ready to assist should y'all need anything. Thank you, ladies, for showing up today from diverse parts of the country. And Miss Anderson, when you get to Texas, if there's anything we can do for you, let us know.
Okay, thank you.
I'll have a great rest of your
Thank you,
week.
Your Honor. We
All right,
appreciate your
thank
time.
you.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Snyder. Thank
Thank
you very
you.
much. Bye-bye.